buying potato chips? No, we make homemade potato chips, 100% chip, 0 air. Grab a large russet potato and start peeling your tater. Now that our potato is peeled, there's 2 ways to make it into the shape. First off, you can use a knife, cut off the end, and then use a very sharp knife and just slice it as thin, nope, I failed there, as thin as physically possible, but we want it thinner. So instead, we're gonna grab a mandolin, a very helpful tool in the kitchen, to make our potato chips. The mandolin has a very thin blade over there that you can set to the thickness. Now, you don't want to do it with your hands. That is dangerous because it is a very sharp blade. Instead, my mandolin comes with this little tool that you just stick your food in there, go like this, and then start cutting it into the not French fry. I get so excited, I'm not even using the right words, into your chip shapes. All right, that actually looks way too thin. So on your mandolin, you can just kind of adjust the setting. I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker and keep on cutting. Keep on cutting. And just keep on cutting, and that is the perfect thickness. I'm just gonna repeat doing that with the rest of our potato, and it is literally that easy. Like, anybody can make their own potato chips at home. Here are all our potatoes. Now place them onto a paper towel lined plate and just pat them in between your paper towels to get them nice and dry. Over here, I have a pot of vegetable that is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to take our dried potatoes and I'm going to just plop them in and deep fry them until they are nice and golden brown. I can't wait to eat them. And repeat with the other potatoes until they are nicely fried. Keep them moving until they are nice and golden brown. All right, looks like they're starting to get nice and golden brown. Check out that French fry, not French fry, I keep calling them French fries. Check out that potato chip. I'm now going to place them onto a cooling rack on a baking sheet, and we're gonna drain off all the excess oil and just fry up the rest. Bam. I love watching them fry. Transfer your chips into a large bowl. Season with some Salt Bae action. Then you can season with whatever you'd like. I'm going to season with some chopped masala. That is my favorite, the Desi Gang knows. And now just toss it in the air to fully coat. All right, let's give it a try. Looking for that crunch. While that is seriously delicious, it has a lot more flavor than chips from a bag. It is super delicious. I like that you can season however you like. You are not actually limited anymore to what they sell in the store. I made chopped masala once. You probably can't find that anywhere. You can make your own spice mix and have fun. And let's just take another bite because I'm hungry. It's so good. Plus, another thing I like is some of them, if they're a little bit thicker, there would be little parts that are actually a little bit softer. So you kind of get the contrast of texture where some of them are super crunchy, some are a little bit softer, almost like French fry-like on the inside. It is just the best of both worlds. It is crunchy. It is delicious. If you want to make it, be sure to do it. Send me a picture, and if you haven't already, be sure to hit the follow button, like this video, and comment down below what is your favorite type of chip. Bye.